Welcome to Praket Consultancy Private Limited. Our consultancy explains about the human resources which is helpful for the students as well as the employees. For latest updates, please subscribe our channel. Today, let us know how HR adds value to an organization. HR process add value by removing barriers to performance of the employees. HR professionals add value when their work helps someone reach their goals. It is not the design of a program or declaration of policy that matters most, but what recipients gain from these actions. The HR value proposition means that HR practices, departments, and professionals produce positive outcomes for their stakeholders, employees, line managers, customers, and investors. Human resources is under increasing pressure to move from transaction management and oversight responsibilities to a strategic function that positively impacts organizational results. Implementing innovations to your organization is not just about doing HR better, but also about delivering business value. The traditional factors that executives typically consider in calculating return on investment, like reduced administrative cost and HR staff to employee ratio, for instance, are limited. Organizations must develop human resources that continually build competitive advantage in an ever-changing environment. And they must add value to their organization's distinctive competencies. How I play my role. HR can add value to the organization in achieving effective employee relations by broadcasting information to all employees in a structured and timely manner so that they can understand what their organization is trying to do and what they should do in order to achieve its objectives. HR takes initiatives that improve workforce performance, productivity, and satisfaction. HR can intervene and add value throughout the enterprise by helping employees to achieve their goals. Action has to be taken to measure HR's value, whether in the form of a claim, a return on investment, a redesigned HR function, or a complete transformation to a value adding function. Thanks for watching. For more updates on HR topics, please subscribe, like, and share our channel.